Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your McDonald's app. So all you have to do in the first, just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list in the you're looking for McDonald's app, your apps app. So you just scrolling down here, click here on apps. You scrolling down until it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. Then here you're looking for McDonald's app. You just click on search. Add here McDonald's app. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on for stop. Click on OK. You scrolling down here. Click on storage. Click here on clear cache. So then all you have to do next, you just go to your Play Store. So you click here on Play Store here. Then here you search for McDonald's app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update. Click on it. Then it's going to work with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.